All right, so I'm out here heading out to the desert. What I want to show you, I'm in the Pauma Valley. This is like the coolest place ever. You got to come out here. Mount Palomar is up there, so you can go up to Mount Palomar this way. But this is one of the strongholds of massive Southern California citrus groves. So this is how it used to look, kind of everywhere. And now, like places like Orange County used to look like this. But of course they don't anymore. What's fun here is that you can see these trees are in such wonderful health, and they have pruned them automatically with a giant machine that's like a hedger that goes and hits the top, and it also hits the sides. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? So anyway, just wanted to show you that there are beautiful, massive strongholds of citrus heritage culture in Southern California still, and I just absolutely love seeing it. And here's some lemons. Those are oranges we just saw, and up here these are Meyer lemons. No, those are mandarins right there. Mandarins. Look how close they are. Look how close together they are. So anyway, look how beautiful this valley is. Too bad the lighting wasn't any better. But it's quite gorgeous. All these estate homes up on these mountains. And a great place to ride a motorcycle. Pauma Valley, come check it out sometime. And again, I apologize that the lighting is so bad. But check it out. There's all kinds of nurseries out here. But in this case, you know what that is over there? That big green mountainside in the Pauma Valley. That is a massive avocado complex. Just like, I think we should turn the car off and talk about this. Let's check this out. Let's check it out. Let's see if I can not get run over. Look at this. This is awesome. Look at this crazy setup. Let's do it. Look. Imagine having an avocado grove covering an entire mountain. Look at this. Let me just panorama. Actually, in the center there, that's actually citrus of some sort. See, it's a different color right in there. But keep panning. There's a water tank at the top of the hill. You need water. Looks like maybe the guy lives up there, because those are all Italian cypress. And then I don't know why he planted the eucalyptus through here. But look, it just keeps going and going and going. And then there's more citrus on that little bench right there. There's actually a guy here that has a gondola that goes up the steep mountain to get all the avocados down. But I wonder, let's have some comments. Guess how many avocados can be produced annually on a mountainside like this? What do you think? You think it's like $1 billion? $1 billion? Like 1 billion avocados? Or I really have no idea. I mean, I guess you could do some math here and add the trees up. And then each tree is going to have like 300 fruit, 400 fruit, maybe 500. I don't know. But anyway, I think one guy, one person, one lady, someone probably owns that whole entire mountain right there. And look, there's even more over there. So just showing you how extensive some of these ranches are.